In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pan and zoom in on images using video in Canva. We'll turn a still photo into a smooth, cinematic move using only Canva pages, transitions, and timing. Start by creating a new design or opening an existing project. Add your image to the first page, then resize it so it fills the entire canvas. If you plan to zoom out at the end, make the image just a bit larger than the canvas now, so there's room to pull back later without leaving empty edges. A quick note on quality: the more you zoom in, the more any photo's pixels will show. Start with a high-resolution image and keep your adjustments moderate for the cleanest result. Next, duplicate this page several times. Each duplicate is like a keyframe in an animation. You'll set a position on each page and Canva will animate between them. If your image is combined with text or overlays, select all the elements and group them so everything scales and moves together on every duplicate. This keeps your composition locked as you animate. On your starting page, leave the image at its original size and position. On the next page, zoom in by dragging a corner handle and reposition the image to focus on the area you want to highlight. On the following page, duplicate the zoom page and pan to another part of the photo by dragging the image while keeping the zoom consistent. Repeat this pattern: duplicate and reposition to map out each stop in your movement. To finish with a clean reveal, duplicate your original first page and place that copy at the very end so the sequence gently zooms back out to the full image. Now add transitions. Click the plus icon between pages, choose Add Transition, then pick Match Move. This tells Canva to animate from the layout on one page to the next. Apply the same transition to all page breaks in your sequence for consistent motion. Adjust the timing to control speed. Click a page and set its duration, typically 2 to 3 seconds. Shorter durations create faster moves, longer ones feel more relaxed. If you want a brief hold on a detail, simply duplicate a page with the same framing to create a natural pause before the next move. Preview your project and make small timing tweaks until each move feels natural and smooth. When you're happy, download your design as an MP4 video for the best quality and sharing, or as a GIF if you need a lightweight loop. That's it. Thanks for watching.